Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making the connection now. Plug your phone into the Mac with the cable, then tap Trust on the phone. This establishes the secure link. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices so continuity features can work wirelessly. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID and that handoff and iCloud Drive are enabled in System Settings and on iPhone. This lets apps, clipboard, and calls move between devices seamlessly. Now you're ready to switch to sharing the screen and devices. Next, access your phone's content directly. In Finder, select your device under Locations to use the Files tab for app documents, or drag and drop files from desktop into the phone sections. Quick look previews help verify content. For wireless transfers, use AirDrop. Set the Mac to receive from contacts or everyone, then send from the phone. If you need to mirror the display, open QuickTime, choose New Movie Recording, then select your phone as the camera. Now you can record or view at different resolutions. Finish by enabling continuity features for a full phone-on-Mac experience. Turn on calls from iPhone and FaceTime settings and enable text message forwarding and messages. Now you can place and receive calls or send SMS from the Mac. To use the iPhone camera in Zoom or Safari, pick it as the webcam via the app's camera menu. Continuity camera gives higher quality input. If something fails, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, or reconnect the cable. This resolves most pairing and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.